Hi guys, it's ASBYT and the PS5 is finally on the horizon. We've been so hyped for so long, so in this video we're going to go through all of the things you want to know about the brand new PS5, including all those juicy brand new gaming titles. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Right, so as we go through this video, let me know in the comment section below what you're most excited about the brand new PS5. Are you talking specs, design? What games are you excited to play? Drop a like on the video if you think the PlayStation 5 is going to be better than the Xbox Series X. So first off, let's take a quick look at the design, and it's certainly been controversial. From the sloping angles to the heat dissipation vents, right through to the Type A and Type C USB ports, and even the colour choice, which seems to have triggered a fair few. Some say it looks like a Wi-Fi router, others a white Sky TV box. Let me know in the comments whether you like the design, or whether you're indifferent, or whether you damn right despise it. And if that is the case, what you would do to make it look better. Now, another really interesting reveal is the fact that we are going to see two different versions, the standard PS5 and the PS5 Digital Edition, which removes the disk drive and the resultant bulk. It also loses one of the physical buttons as well, presumably the eject button for the disk drive. The key question is, how important is that disk drive to you? Because the digital version is likely to be cheaper, somewhere in the region of £50. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to go for, the digital only or the one with the disk drive. Please note, just like the Xbox Series X, the PlayStation 5 will be able to be placed horizontal as well. Sony are also lining up a number of accessories, including a Pulse 3D wireless headset, a DualSense charging station, a media remote, and a new HD camera. Now, a quick overview of the specs has left me drooling. It will have an 8-core AMD Zen 2 CPU and a custom AMD RDNA 2 based GPU. The custom AMD chips will provide 10.28 teraflops of power using variable frequency on both the CPU and the GPU. Teraflops sounds like such a made-up word. But what it basically means is that the console's processor setup is capable of handling 10.28 trillion floating point calculations per second on the PS5, which is actually less than the 12 trillion on the new Xbox Series X. Floating point operations make it easier for game creators to improve game visuals and behaviour, especially when using 3D graphics. So some would expect the brand new Xbox to naturally perform slightly better because of that higher teraflops number, but it's not going to be so cut and dried as that. There's far more than just that figure alone to take into the equation. Sony is also using a proprietary 825GB SSD to boost load times for games, and Sony is requiring that all games will be installed to the internal SSD to make use of the read speeds. The PS5 will also support 8K graphics, 4K graphics at 120Hz refresh rate, and 3D audio. Of course, we've seen the natural progression of refresh rates on monitors and smartphones over the last few years, so I'm sure a lot of you will be happy about that. So gaming titles, I hear you ask. Well, here we go. Title names and some gameplay. First, there's Marvel's Spider-Man. We've got an upgraded PS5 edition of Grand Theft Auto 5.
Sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day. My job, my score, get your own!
Project Athia. Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart.
How do I steer this thing? Ask nicely. Slow down!
Stray. Returnal.
This world is becoming part of me, infecting my mind, my memories. The longer I spend here, the more I can feel my sanity slip away.
Destruction All-Stars. Sackboy: A Big Adventure. A Blast from the Past in the Oddworld Soulstorm. Kena: Bridge of Spirits. Goodbye Volcano High.
When I'm still just standing on the edge. But if we've got nothing else to lose, might as well jump.
Ghostwire Tokyo. Then we've got Godfall.
Don't you ever seen? I'ma need a crown. I'm the only one that ever held it down at the tip top. People flip flop every day, not I. Top 5, I'm a big shot. I'm the one that wanna take the big shots.
NBA 2K21, which looks quality.
I don't mean to sound when I stray. You better just run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life.
Gran Turismo 7. Solar Ash. Demon's Souls. Resident Evil Village, another huge title. Little Devil Inside. Horizon Forbidden West.
If I falter, if I fail, there won't be anyone left to stop what's coming.
Bugsnax. Astro's Playroom. This one's Hitman 3. Pragmata, which again looks insane. Chivalry 2. Out of all those, let me know in the comments which you're most excited to play, which you think looked the best in terms of graphics, animation, gameplay. For me personally, Spider-Man looks unreal. The graphics in NBA 2K21 look just ridiculous, and Resident Evil and Hitman 3 also look pretty epic. Oh, and Pragmata looks quality as well. There's so many titles, and Oddworld Soulstar. Soulstar? It's definitely not, that's Music Soulstar. Oddworld Soulstorm looks like a great blast from the past because I remember Abe's Exodus on the PlayStation 1. Love that game. So I'd like to check that one out as well. I will be getting my hands on the brand new PlayStation 5, so if you want to see an unboxing and early reviews, etc. for that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed it. If you have, smash the like. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook for all the latest and greatest tech news. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. So ASBYT, peace out.
Do just what you want.